So for the layer you should have these 4 pieces. I had drawn the King Helios, and then place a cardboard back there. So these are the 4 pieces of cardboard. This is gone. You see the arrows. So this arrow puts like here, then arrow goes here, then this one okay. So it would be probably this thick, and it should be this thick, so that it could. So I put some Fevicol on it so that it look more shinier after dry. I like the taste of it. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain of you, the things I haven't done at all. So we are ready with our bey, and let's test it. So here's my homemade launcher. First test it, then battle it. So 3, 2, 1, go. So let's test it with Lucifer the End, one of my most favorite bey. 3, 2, 1, go. So we shall also test in big stadium. That could be more fun. So I'm ready, and 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Extremely fine by me, I guess. Its stamina is pretty low because of that cardboard and no weight, and it's not a metal, it's just plastic piece. So let's test it. Testing with the variant Lucifer. Oh, sorry, Lucifer the End. 2, 1, go. Oh,
2, 1, go.
did you see that Lucifer the End just shakes the whole stadium? Oh. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. I think there is unfairness because of the delay. So first we launch this so that there is no unfairness. So 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. It's a draw. I think Lucifer the End wins just barely, I guess, because of this board. 2, 1, go, shoot. Oh, that was a stadium out. Well, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Well, this is it. I know the battle is super unfair because of my loneliness. I'm alone. I guess I should change the stadium for last time. Last time for you, I will play a dot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Wow! 3, 2, 1, go shoot!